This is a general guide, and your installation may vary. For more information, consult the installation manual that's shipped with your merchandiser. Determining the best location for your endless merchandiser lineup will ensure performance and help to avoid future maintenance issues. For optimum performance, don't directly expose your cases to the sun or place them near a direct source of radiant heat or airflow. They also should not be installed in an enclosed area. If the merchandisers are located against a wall, allow at least a 4-inch space between the wall and the back of the cases, with a 4-inch open space at the top and 1 inch on each end. This space will allow air to circulate behind the merchandisers and prevent condensation on the exterior surfaces. Make sure the floor is strong enough to support the merchandiser lineup with no sagging. Then, prepare the installation area by cleaning thoroughly. Check the dimensions of the entire lineup and mark the exact location on the floor. Snap chalk lines where the base skids of the cases will be located. Thank you for watching our installation guide for Masterbuilt semi-self-contained endless merchandisers. For more resources or assistance, visit our website or call us. We're here to help.